Welcome back to Florasway. Today I have Mavic Mini to show you a tutorial how to make quick shots. Now we are ready to see our quick shot. First of all, press the button here and go to quick shots. You will see we have Dronie, rocket, cycle and Helix. But first of all, we can begin with Dronie. You see we have 25 meters, 13 meters, 35 and 14 meters. But let's begin. Press start, tap the target and go to start. 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, and now we turn back. Very nice. And now we go the second one. The second one is rocket. We press 25 meters, press start, tap the target and go start. Okay, go. Wonderful. It's complete and it's returned back. Wonderful. Okay, now we can go at the third one. The third one is cycle. We go start, we press here target and go start. 3, 2, 1 and go. And return back. Now we can go at the Helix. We go at 25 meters. The aircraft ascend while flying in a spiral that expands gradually with the camera centered on the target. Let's get started. I'm the target. 3, 2, 1 and go. And now it's returning back. for watching, and if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!